Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this chest mount for action cameras, Kaiser Baas. Okay, so here is for hands-free stable first person view in the hard wearing material. That's great for water sports or biking. So this one is compatible with Kaiser Baas X series and GoPro action cameras. Okay, so open this now. Okay, just cut this tape. Also on probably this side. Okay, now it should be open. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here is the front, the chest, and it's the back. So the back, can just unhook this one, then you can just put it back like this. Then the front, I can just put the camera here. Okay, I'll show you later. So you can attach the mounting here. I'll show you. Here is my camera, so just attach this one here. Okay, and like that. Then this one, puts it in. So tighten. Then it's ready. You can just wear this one. Then start recording through here. Okay, so that's it. So we'll try this out later on, then I will show you some videos. Okay, thank you for watching.